Hi guys, Tracy Tutor here. Today, I want to talk about something that's top of mind for so many of us in the industry, AI. I'm joined by Isabella from Luxury Presence to talk about this powerful technology and how it can truly make your life as a real estate professional easier.
Hi, Tracy. I'm excited for this conversation. Okay, so jumping right in, I want to know, when you hear real estate AI, what do you think about?
So much. I think about the tedious parts of the job that AI can do for you. I think about how it can help you understand your leads better and figure out whether it's worth spending your time. And I think about the ability to help a client visualize a home's potential to help them understand the possibilities.
I'd love to dig into each of those. Let's start with eliminating mundane tasks. That might sound the least sexy, but it has the potential to be the biggest game changer. There was a recent study from McKinsey that said the real estate industry will see a productivity gain of $110 to $180 billion just from AI.
Incredible. And I totally believe it. I love real estate, and some parts are glamorous, but let's be honest, some parts are a total slog. You got to do them, but they take so much time. And if AI can do it for you, it's magic. Think about all the time you and your team get back. What else you can channel your energy into?
Exactly. This level up makes you so much more efficient, and that frees you up to spend time on what matters most to your business. Okay, so tell me, what tasks have you used AI for already, and what are you excited about using it for next?
Okay, let me count the ways. Filling out documents, finding the best time for a meeting, making sure that I'm prepped for the meeting, making sense of my voice notes, which is a whole other thing. That's something that the new Luxury Presence app does, right?
Yes. Presence Copilot leverages AI to help agents work smarter. Because agents are often running from meeting to meeting, we built this feature where all you have to do is record a quick voice note when you're on the go. Our AI will take that note, transcribe it, and organize the important client details.
There are so many times I wish I had that throughout my career. You've got to get that information down before it falls out of your brain, you know?
Exactly. Presence Copilot also gives you market insights on demand. So if a client asks you a question, you have the answer at your fingertips, thanks to AI.
I love that, because no matter how much experience you have and how prepared you are, some client questions still come out of left field, and having the quick, informed answers is a total game changer.
Exactly. Okay, let's shift gears to an AI use case I think a lot of people are talking about in real estate: virtual and augmented reality.
Look, real estate involves a lot of imagination. Could I see myself living here? What would the house look like with my furniture? What are my options if I move this wall? It's up until now, agents had to power that imagination in the minds of our clients, which honestly doesn't always work. So if AI can help a client quickly envision that and see what's possible, it opens up a whole world of opportunity.
Yes. In fact, Luxury Presence just released our newest tool, AI Lead Nurture, focused on just this.
Having a tool that replies to inbounds, automatically follows up with them, and asks them questions to help qualify them, it's awesome. I tried out the AI Lead Nurture, and it genuinely does sound human. It's so impressive.
Isn't it amazing how far AI has come already?
Truly.
Now, with all these advances, does anything make you nervous about AI? What do you say to agents who are worried what these changes mean for the industry?
I'm not nervous per se, but any tool I use, AI or not, I want to know that it's secure and it protects my client's data. So like I am for any tool I use in my business, I'm cautious and I'm thoughtful about the data I give it, but I'm not worried about AI taking away our jobs. Real estate is such a people-focused industry. AI can't replace that human touch. Maybe it can write and send a great text message or email, sure, but that's actually helpful. AI seems to be a tool that gives more opportunities to have the human touch moments.
I couldn't agree more. There are so many ways AI will enhance our jobs and make our lives easier. Okay, now finally, what's an AI product that's yet to be developed, but that you want to see?
Something that allows me to be in California and Texas at the same time. Is someone working on that? They should be.
We'll add an AI-powered interstate transporter to our product pipeline.
Amazing, I can't wait.
I've loved this conversation today, Tracy.
So have I.